Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add products to wishlist on Meesho. First of all, launch open Meesho application on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Wishlist on Meesho lets you save your favorite products so that you can buy them later or keep track of items you like without losing them in the app. So, once you're inside the homepage of Meesho after logging in, go ahead and tap on the search bar at the top and type in the name of the product you want to add to wishlist. Now from the options displayed on the screen, select the product you want to add and then tap on the little heart icon right above the product's image. Soon after you fill it with a red heart, this will indicate that the product has been added to your wish list. Repeat this process for every other product you want to add to your wish list. And once you do that, you can now get back to your home page, tap on your name at the top left, and from here under My Activity, click on Wishlisted Products. You will then be able to find all the items that you've added to your wish list. You can use the wish list to track products during sales or discounts so that you can purchase them at the best price. Regularly review your wish list to remove items you no longer want. So that's how you successfully learn how to add products to your wish list on Meesho. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.